Monchumurigiro na motuko agendrete ko butoka ebiro amone chinga kichonsi nchira tigara magega enga kiende bonongendrete asenchire abene ko ne kibuna gwetera Ndizi TV ntogandete ko kumanya ali akolekane kuro chinsemo akuribwaga kitego ikachinse chigobono chemono margoba litukeli kono lya Jumatatu kero twachakire ikinimate weekend ya onengi yarenge nabo igotiga nkwaligania semesa ya mangana ma yesterday merongebere neye mu mutinyo 11 omwaka w'ikiri bubere na merongebere nebera bali kibaito kuro chingongo chonsi imene isiko yorongoro Gusii go batwaliganiria mange ayubona seri bwango chikogo sansamuranira nago kumanya senchira yobo imenyera bono litoko bwatera nerego itira sumuno bwimanyererio igakoro kwa Joshua outside saranso ikenkumanya korendeli tanganike gima yatonyora mangana yua senchira yoko ya chuta.
Kaniseri atarete ko ivolio muchango wako mwachikura nera chakere gotagora
ugache kanisa gotusaba chikura bono gwachakire gochitagora barandi kurwe county ya Kisii bamuchiri umugavana we county Simba Arati.
This court noted in the judgment that most probably even the count number 1, that is the rape, was committed. Only the evidential threshold in a criminal matter was not met.
Umunyagetari yankondi mugo wairi mukumerwe gesiboke myaka 29 asechera.
Kwamba wakiona nyumba wameanza kulishuku kama vile hao wengine walishuku jana, wasingojea mpaka liporomoke.
Inyumba ya maronga 5 ende yagure meye county ya Kiambu abantu 12 bawutiria makweli maga yuko nganya bugoro morogoba. Asa yomone yanda mangu monchumurigire bono isaranso kenkomunya senchira yoboyi kerano literane nchenkoro ko Vincent Onyancha igotoko chaka kurwase county ya Kisii abarandi kurwase county ya Kisii nigobe murunganire kiragaso ko muchumo governor we county ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati asogote unanigo obutangoli bw'ekinyombo bugendete ko nekiwa anasogo kuna chikanisa gento bakuremo na ekero chikanisa chiakunirwa sensemelyo gotagoro chinyomba seganga yokorosia chibara omulikito Brighton Magoli na roboti rwa senchira yobwikirano.
Watu wacha na pastor ba Gusii abutora ba pastor bangemono koramikera ege kale kanase omugito Gusii ngega ege bana twacholete omabyo tarachikoera ekaniseri atarete ko ivolio muchango boko mwachikura nera chakere gotagora.
Ebyo nabyo birengererio bya barandi abukurwase county ya Kisii asebono bamubolire mugabana we county ya Kisii Simba Baurarati kubwateri chiko anekero agutagura chinyomba se county ya Kisii.
Toko musabaiga your excellency governor ekanisa ro kugusabira ukoronge na ukorokera likwenda gukora taliero rasunyetaga na konyobo soku kera kota yete abashirika baito bagandi chichoche chiriba wakanira gusaba tumuge chichoche bagagira se kanisa
ntoigwetibuya muna aba pastor ba Kisii county asenge nganeri nelingana lyokogechi mono nande lyokoreto bosoku naende bono ekorolekana nga barandi mba yasomo chobosongo egakone kegosega koreke umugavana ito kero kende kiagara narawea egakoreke are ko omuntu mutangani kugekana ekiagera agaige kanisa enu ache tagasaba chikura
bware gosaba nga mune kanisa ere ryogo esikwe ekiagera ekanise goseri buna bona iga batagurite kanise abantu jicho babwatese bagocha igo noko tebinga baka abantu basogoje kanisa basabe ekiagera bagocha ndagera mbaliete kanga iba konyeire asenta to koteba nga Nyasaye akonye serikali yetu
korengana na Bishop John Omangi kurwase kanisa ya Anglican Church of Kenya nigatebuna marago na majikonsi na bwatetiwe ekere nyombe yare kwagachwa kolende otagurukwaye nigokore no moichano.
The construction here, it went through all processes of approval, plan, through fiscal planning, through survey, through all integrity reports, and this building were approved. It defeats logic to find the same government which approved the buildings and it is coming all of a sudden and demolish the buildings.
Boigo bune kanisa niko batebuna niko babwate obwoba ngakibara chikogendera kokore mirimo ne serikali.
Kisii County, our warriors are clergy, and that is our major concern, is that we are witnessing a scenario where the church is going to live in fear with the government of the day, which is very, very, very dangerous.
Asensemo yenjara no kuburwa kuborendia sense ya Kenya niga barandia batebuna nigo bagendete kwene kibuna na barabongo sira balensemo yokorigi ndagera.
Yes, there is a serious insecurity situation in the country. There is famine, and the church is at the forefront in mobilizing relief in response to the famine situation. The church is equally concerned about insecurity. As we pray, we also want to see that our leaders are coming up with solutions, workable solutions.
Ase engana ya JMO.
We are not refusing GMO, but there must be controls. There must be scientific research over it, so that we can know to inform our choices.
Nigobono babolirie serikali kurigereria chinjera chingao.
The church, maybe we are also going to instruct our science people, Department of Research and Science from the church, to advise us on the correct position on GMO.
Guribodirigeta seni Candice TV kuruase obugatakati ebomuchobo songo iridariane Brighton Makori.
Biyemono muri kito Brighton Makori asorobotirwa senchira yoboyikirano bonogo tiganere Brighton Makori igotokomera na Josephat Amisi yogotumanyibone wizara y'Obochenu County ya Kisii buna county chinde niko bagandire tukobeke omerobiri go chikonyora ali tuko lyoborere bwenyamore liko betarike mu mutinyi 12 kolengane county ya Kisii niko batebire buna bagenda tukobeke omerobiri asokonyara gotango kwambukira nago keyo mubaro abantu bali bakonyora ebinyinyi byenya roboti rwa senchira yoboikirano.
Wizara y'Obochenu imeye county ya Kisii niyo irire bitambukiro iliokoenekia buno kwambukirwa kwebinyinyi by'enyamureo nigo boiranire nsi ayangorengana na Florence Ogaro oyore omutenaneri bwa department yeyo.
Ase county ya Kisii tumeiga hatua kubwa. Mtu tenga some years back HIV prevalence ya renge igoro se county ya renge 8.9%. 8.9 igual around 9. Asa abantu emia 9 of them were HIV positive. Lakini wana prevalence ya reduce paka wana tora te 4.6, around 5 people in 100 who are HIV positive. Na prevalence is higher in the females.
Florence Boigo nigatebire department yae nenegetebu na abantu abange banyara ko bakorengwa na Boigo abaratokene binyinyi ebyo nigo bachakire obobwenia ase obwango.
Focusing on prevention osokotanga na sokotanga ntubate ngenteketanga nya sokotanga ne upimo kumanya hali y'omuntu. Asetinya gitari chito chonsi abantu gupimu barororo bamuntu manye status ye enyamoreo nekero umuntu amanyire status eto gwategende togotebanga test and treat tenga muna yarenge ka ukare awosege chumagete yarenge na gupimu umuntu abana bamitinyi bere etatu umagocha kigoma ndio lakini mone togwate police togotanga test and treat.
Urengana na David Nyakambi nigatebire Boigo banyare ko bakwenana amagerio anene guchia ase abamenyi be county ya Kisii na koenekia buna ababate ebinyinyi ebyo tibaranyara ko bakonengetwa anene ase chinga kyabo na ase bagokora emeremo
twarura satambe emyaka yarure magega atwagaitire muna nabatebye ngo coordinate HIV at the community atwagaitire twanyora ebyombe by'abana women groups CBOs self-help groups chonsipi na kitwaga kwanire karenga no nyumonde karairwe ndagera nesani nigo yagatugutiro rero nigo tukuragera amo
etariki eyemo mutenyo gatano kabere nigo rirabe rituko rinene anene ase ase engima ase boigo ime kaunti ya Kisii omosangerekano iyo oranyare koba gokorekana ase egeti kia Nyantrago Stadium eyo ere ime ya Nyaribari chache kuripoteri getaseni kia Ndizi TV korwe kaunti ya Kisii riterane Josephat Hamisi
Mbiamuno muliki tobene karose kaunti ya Kisii Josephat Hamisi hasoroboti rwa senchira yobo ikirano chiskuru chia banyene nigo bate birubero ikirano asamate mwamana na KCPE na boigo bono naria CBC ya guchigo chaka bwangoiga konenga nomuteni wechukuru chia banyene kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira Margaret Gesare igabori ya bayibori kubwatsi aboroki wababo na bagosira omurobyo CBC omuliki tobene kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira Job Maangi na roboti rwa senchira yobo ime
ekero etigarete amatuko amake gochia samatemu amanene ya kirasi sano na isato KCPE na ya CBC kepsea nigo aboroki abagendete korobe ya aborokiwa gokora amatemu ayo.
This time round ito chigokora gotemu wa class 6 gokorokwa Kenya Primary Schools kepsea so na Kenya Certificate of Primary Education amatemu abiri aho chikoenda moja kwa pamoja okukonde wa grade 6 no wa CBC
ntwabato gotarera esukuru ya Bisam Academy ase twabato kumirana na Margaret Gesare oyore omoteneneli bwe kisukuru cyabanyene ime county ya Nyamira oyuboigo oromo nyene bwe sukuru eyo elinde komanya enchira berobetie
na private schools cyabekira abana cyatayarishira abana buya sana na ende abana bono bari tayari kuchigokora ma assessment ya grade 6 KCPE umwako yega turakore biya sana
nate babuna baeteire amakongu asomoroberio OCBC korende asichinga kichiabono nigo baganyete okona chagwe serikali igoro yo moroberio yo
CBC no ya twara changamoto sinyinge mwisho wengo kora tura matemwa mweri wengo kora tura gotemwa gusa assessment ekoira abana bagende junior secondary and a task force on education ngunya gotote niche totebinga ngaki abana bagabako bawuse ngaibako genda
omorokia omonene Peter Moruri natogia abaibori asoko bwaterana nesukuru ejo elinde kokinia ekerengo gechisemi
monongo akambye mone sengencho ya abaibori abo batoira abana nande bakuru efi barure feast wakorire gasingi abana ntayare bare
asate banigo aboroki aberure elinde gosomia abana na kone kyabuna baetire buya
amatemu aya abere ngangara bari bakorire gasirengiya abana ntayare bare twakorire revision kero muremo na bonto gukora kipsea na KCPE na amatemu amatanga ntuji gukora se ruanchago oromo litukerimo bagocha kobamo na ntutu arabalimu bagocha kobarenda emeroberi yonsi ya koriru ya ikeranire igoge ntutu agosabankeringa moto sabere chikanisa ba pastors mole sabera abana ba Kenya bonsi mona ba Gusii na intubisamu na torega moigurekere miaka mbu yatogokora
rwase county ya Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi kurose kaunti ya Nyamira mbia munasoroboti rwa senchira yobo ikiranugo tigara samangana rengete chisemi boigo kutomurekere omoroberia OCBC ni gobono omurikite verinyo serago tumanyibuna baiboli baburiwe kubwaterana amo naborokia naboigo naborokiwa elikone kya sumuroberi nkonyareko yosira korengana no mu director w'eskuru yoboroso ya Tabaka Academy ayo manyikanete buna Mogendi Tamaro nigate birumurobiri yigorokane gukubare Maria bayibuli korene mbale no kwegena esrekane nekikobeke mirobiri yemiya era kikokonya bayibuli kurwasumurobiri yiga OCBC roboti rwa senchira iyobekirano
Eskuru ne ya Tabaka Academy eyo gotoka Nyachenke bunge ya South Mogrango ime county ya Kisii asomo yegabo kobekirwe gutwa kwa boroki wa ba PP2 uchegosa grade 1 obakogo koreka abaibori abaorokiani go baikirana sobonge eryo koinekia omokya bwa bana babo Omotenererio monene bwe skuru eyo mugendi Tamaro niga bakirambu ya Bible na barimu asogoikerana na mono kubasegeta gosiro muroberio OCBC.
Gwakira Bible baito bonse Watabaka Academy abarimu na abana asegasi bakorire ngiya Bible nonye CBC kekorekana ni bwatitibeta kinyinge asogwaka n'ebintu ebinge tokobasaba kimoranche abana ebintu bakumanya nebya na nebinge
korengana no morokio monene Madam Emmanuela Orwenya abalimu nigo bawetera makongu au aneno gotaikerania kwa maganio ya boroki wako rwasa Bible
Wate challenges mono kero abana bari PP2 konyora turenga Bible abange mbari konyara goikirania ebintu biri kana iri ase school tonyora na mono muna chikalamu nabo mwana gotumeka ya maseri tuko igo nigo tugosaba Bible baito banyari gotobwatisi bachigora aligera tunyari goikerania masomo ya igabo naye nabere bo igo na Bible bande mbali batari gotaka barwera abana baba chibesa gocha ase school naye bona nigo toko baboria intu na balimu banyare gotokonya kero barure chibesa abana bamba kunyara ko baba goseri gochinka kera chingaki iyo gukore biro byabo byo gosoma
Abaibori nigo bagokera umuyego yo asebato ye skuru ya Tabaka Academy na kuboria kubwatira nairo gosira abana konyora chisemi.
I can encourage parents out there to bring their children here because we are sure of the moral values that are inculcating them. So it's a good institution, and the teachers themselves, they are teachers who have qualified from their institutions, various institutions, and they are registered from the Teacher Service Commission. Therefore, we are glad that we can compete with other schools, regardless of their cadre, but we will catch up with them as time goes by. Yeah. Well.
Tabaka Academy, mi personally naipenda sababu misingi ya hiyo shule ni mzuri, walimu ni wazuri, communication ya walimu na wazazi ni nzuri, they communicate wherever mtoto wako na shida na wako friendly. Nashukuru kwa msingi mizuri ambao wameweka kwa watoto wetu.
Oyo mobwa boroki wa uyogo kero muroberi oyo niga kambia sa Bible na balimu na otebabu na nigo besomirie na boigo kumanya manke.
My name is Shali Harrit. I'm in grade 4 in Tabaka Academy. I want to thank all parents for bringing their children in Tabaka Academy. And teachers, they have taught us many things, and we want to thank them for they have teachers well, and we have understand many things.
Tamaro nigakora asokoboria Bible wetoma aneno mwako ogo chako enekia bunanko barwera bare abana babe school fees asaboigo abakerambu ya bali bonse baikirana
tamwe gocha kwanzira 2023 fees na bera abete chanda mono okuba kitamu kiriko baisato kenyume yo mwako yokatwa bwate kitamu inye ngaba igori asmu abeta tarika baka Academy yoka andoza asmu abeta Gusii chingongo chonsi pi paka Kenya ngima support ya bana baiga ekera balimu baboli na balimu ongera abakire binyanya saba sasa ni mwezi abaigoli graduates abalimu na kero monto otarere sherehe ya Tabaka Academy graduation 2022 Tabaka main na Tabaka aya Nyachenge. Asante sana.
Goripotre taseni kia Ndizi TV eriatariane Evelyn Osero.
Evelyn Osero mbia mwana soro bochurwa senjira yoboy kiranu bono gotikira boy gasamangana ngetejise mitomole kirango University ya Kisii yo kutoka se county ya Kisii nigo yanyorere kewa kurwa se kiombe kile kyobo sangerelie bango KRA nigo bone kiombe kigyate birebuna Kisii ngati University ya Meronge tato echibono chia bere chikure bango ya bono bokori bwabo asenjira engiya omurikito Frida Kerubo no robochurwa senjira yoboyime.
Ekiombe kyogosangerelie bango kiare nigo kiarule ebiegwa gochia ase University Emeronge tato ase obokoleri obyabo korwa ebango. Gati yabone University ya Kisii eyaegwa ekegwa na boigo gokora omoyigali tukolia lero. Kolengana na baroboni go babeire bakorwa amaigeli gochia ase abanto kubwatekana no korwa kwebango.
We have got to say that our students over the years have been, tax ambassadors in this region and the country at large. And because of that, His Excellency, the former President Uhuru Kenyatta, awarded our students or our tax society as the best in the country in terms of creating awareness among Kenyans on matters tax.
Gokwana nigo Profesa Akama aerera emirobelio babeire bakobeka eliogosemia aborokigwa na boigo kobasira korwa obasemia eliokorwa ebango ime county ya Kisii, Nyamira na boigo Homa Bay.
What these kids do is basically providing voluntary services to Kenyans, starting with the staff in the university and also members of society in Kisii County, in Nyamira, in Homa Bay, and Migori, Siaya, Kakamega, all these western region. We must move away from the culture of avoidance in paying taxes.
Omateneneli bokorwa amaegelio akeare Jacinta Mulwa nigo aerera okolingolia asichinsemo ime ya Kenya asichi university kobwatikana no bokoleri bwabo asensemo yebango.
We have 30 tax societies in the various universities spread across the country. So we were looking for a center of excellence in each of our 7 regions. We had parameters that we are looking into, and the key one is the level of activity of this tax society. The university also had to be tax compliant, and also we looked at regional representation and how they are able to support us reach the unreached.
Omateneneli okeare ime county ya Kisii Robert Onyango nigo aerera ekirenga kiabo ase ogosemia ekegoliegeke igoro yokorwa ebango ase ali eira kobasira eliokweneki obokoleri obuya asa matukabosio.
I believe this occasion is very important, and more so for the young minds, because the main aim is to inculcate that tax culture in them as early as now, so that as they walk through their lives, they'll be able to assist the public, educate the public, and engage the public on matters tax this early. And that's why we chose Kisii University. They have a very vibrant tax club, and we've seen that they've also done some good job on that, and that we want to assist them, give them that backup to ensure that they do their job very well.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV. Bia mwana soroboti urasenchira yobo ikiranu monchu mulikire bono gotikana itumulekire chinsemo chinali abereka okolekana aseri tukolia lero bono kolengana nekegambero giateneneti okunengi wa kwa bali kibabo tambe gose permanent secretaries GPS ni gomo jigo yura tigare go tenenete go ika okunacho kwa rule ani gago cha maiga jansemelieli chiko LSK Law Society of Kenya wegata sekegambero na kwa milia malieta betega kubwato kono murebwensi William Samuel Ruto abwa tebete buna tabwate machika ina soko nyara gochora abali kibabo tambe gose permanent secretary wa GPS ase ensemelia yebirgobo waziri naboni gobono ikigambero giate birebuna igokera chiko tegereki ne kistariki ya merongevere na kyanda omuchenyiga okominomo insimu na chebi na nduma ndiri igate birene nganira chikuligirirwa libanyare kuruko na chakwabo gose abali kibabo tambe magenre ko unengo wane kamati yebunge gose ni goba guchiko chorwa boya na omunyagitari enkondi mugo wairimo ni gobono abere gago kumerwa egesibo kemyaka 25 nomo asechera ni gago cha asogotebekana buna nagotoka na momocho asabega kwatumia abasubati bube ase atebeteri galingo munyagitari maiga yobutukinigo yabetegeko eneki wakati ya mochari abere kumubwatirania no gotumiga abasubati asobwanchanya sekerenga buna igare kuba obogwenia kliniki kia yegento kia bete geko korubutuke na konyarekana buna ni gari gutumeka basubati asenchira yobwanchani kolende tare kuba wenia buna re gotebere no munyagitari ase kliniki kia yabwate egento kia irire gati kobagati ya momocho ayibona irere konyara kukumerwe gesibo ke miaka 29 nimeti 5 nomo
to endanger, helpless victims, most of them women, by purporting to be a gynecologist and many other traits, and would administer the drugs to them and have sexual acts with them. As this court noted in the judgment, that most probably even the count number 1, that is rape, was committed, only the evidential threshold in a criminal matter was not met.
Na gotigana na yubono enyumba ya maronga 5 asensemo ya Ruiru iyo gotoka se county ya Kiambu niko bono ya eneki gukugwa n'abantu 12 go utiama kweli asenseme yo enyumba nigo ya rogeti ekimanyere kyo buchikogwa bwigoro egento kereta abantu bamente se egorobe yo ebwate amaronga 5 guchigoro konganya litukurigoro margoba ase nyumba yubono yabage kogwa litukeri muri yoko se chinsa chinkema yo konganya kurwa se nyumba yo niko bono yabere kogwa egento giatikira amenye bense mibaro no muichano no ina boni geni be nyinge eyikonyora abande bataranganya kurwa nyumba chikonyora bamenyete yabage kobwateranigwa ase nyumba yabage kogwa litukuria lero eyibone bwata maronga 5 guchigoro aniga gocha amatukano kama ega yenyumba nde kogwa sensemeyo eyerete abantu babere gokwabwabo aho bareba omugaka amo no munginoye ewabwatana tuwase nyumba yabage kobwago amatuko ane aitire na boni goto kumanyi kubuna litukuria lero omonyene nyumba yabetege kugwa matukane abe kagoetan igoli tukuria lera nyaraga kobe kubyara kara segetigie chindege kale nekerenga kyogo tamagoche isiko yense abwa satangira section kyabanya nyimbo ase county ya Kiambu asoko gwo nyumba ko litukuria lero nigo bona amenyibe county ya Kiambu babori kuba maiso ase nyumba chirichie koroki manyerere byoko gwa kwane kunangwa kabaro roboti uti asense metenrete emebasekano.
I want to make this appeal to the people of this county. Ya kwamba wakiona nyumba wameanza kulishuku. Kama vile hao wengine walishuku jana. Wasingoje mpaka liporomoke. Wacha waitane. Tunashukuru kama hii kwa sababu maafisa wa usalama walikuwa karibu, wengine walikuwa naishi hapo. So tulijua mapema na tukatoa watu mapema. So finally hatuko na maafa. Lakini watu wakiona kuna jambo baya linaendelea kwa nyumba lile jengo wanaishi na wanyamaze. Sasa tunakuja kuwa na maangamizi na watu kukufa.
Na ekyombe kyabari mkupeti niko bono kyaruka wasirego tindego kya serikali na gote abuna bari mu bari barikire inse yekyombe kyo ane barachinsemo chiri na kibuna nkonyarere ko bwatokera chibesa chise na kuba mentengale yabo elikonyara kwerendre ko bari chinsemecho ekyombe kene gyatebere buna bari mu abange bari barasobole ndibuta isene nigo bagendrete gutigara bari no bwoba korengana no bwabo koko sererwa asoko boroko bole ndibo isene bone wabole serikali mukegetambukiro kyabwango gose banganya bali mbabo kurochinsemo chiria asobolendi wotaisaini.
The national peace and cooperative.
The most important thing we discuss here is that we discuss issues teachers, what teachers go through. We interact with them, listen to them what they say about the union and their work. And it's important that we have our national officials who will take over and take it over and discuss it at the national level.
Tunasema ya kwamba walimu ambao wanafunza sehemu ambayo iko na insecurity, tumesema ya kwamba kama serikali haiwezi kuwapatia usalama wa kutosha, hatutakubali walimu hao wafunze pale. Tunataka waondolewe ili wasikufe.
CPC must be domiciled in secondary schools. All that's required is more capitation to the schools so that parents do not incur the cost of running the CPC. All that's required is employment of more teachers and all will run smoothly.
Na omu Archbishop Anthony Mueria ni gobona mochiri Moses Kuria anaseganga ya iyo kumulekera mangana rengete embusuro ya GMO. Moses Kuria ni gate abuna bakenya babase gutwara bobonde bwensi une embusuro yo ne chiko irabanto gusiro gumabwabo gentate bire buna GMO tali ero yeke go itabanto aiga sense ya Kenya kolengana Archbishop Anthony Mueria ni gate bire buna Moses Kuria mukege tambukira na gusaba bakenya mabera kolengana ngani yo aba
trivialize death, trivialize suffering, trivialize insecurity. For this reason, we feel, irrespective of the matter in case, in consideration, would request honestly that the Kenyans deserve respect and not spite. And in this matter, they do deserve an apology. It is not good to joke with death or to gamble with the life of Kenyans as if it was Russian roulette. For this reason, we feel this matter is more than just a joke when we speak about GMOs. It's a serious matter that deserves discussion, deep, sober engagement. It's not on one hand a decision for us to, on one hand, just embrace them wholeheartedly, completely, without any reservation, nor a situation where we want to reject the use or even to address the need that could be for a specific time. It's a matter of discussion.
Umuchumulikire bono inyora nigo gendrete kosengera Ndizi TV obwansu bumugusi na bakwendera gutobwatia wetira nsemeria mtandao nsemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News the digital na boga nsemeria YouTube umuchumulikire na bagotera buna Ndizi TV News nyaro gusanga amona ntuna mange tokwaligane tukolenda sebono tiganyora match inkwera ntogande gusanga mange kurugaiga ACTV ya ona mbeyemo ime asorogongoro ito rwaguzi kono inkondo mutumo kobono gongo koira go ikensemende studio tomberana na Victor omwana yo banga tumanya mangane chikosoli na kyaba inyoro boneke mirano gatie timu ya Senegal na Netherlands go kyaba ge koera no kwigana kwa nabondo shikumanya kona kibinto byale nsembeli ya World Cup 2022 asabono nyoro mutumo komoke Victor koronsemende studio tumanya nsemo ye chikosoli.